Hey, nigga. Won't fuck around with my bitch? Huh? Your funeral, homie. Your funeral, nigga. Get used to it. Oh shit, you got. Oh, fucker. A runner, huh? We got a runner? Oh, fuck, I'm out of wood. Fucking, you can run, motherfucker. You don't fuck with the LA Saints, okay? Get the fuck back here, nigga. Oh, wanna jump on top, hey, nigga. I'll fuck you up, man. I'll fuck you up. I'll fuck you up, man. I'll fuck you up. Yeah. Oh, you fuck now, nigga. You fuck now. Oh. 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 What the fuck do I want? Oh, okay. Do I have a... Where's my fucking bucket? I need a fucking bucket. Yeah, that's right. This city messed with the wrong motherfucker. A bucket. My bucket. Okay. Now that motherfucker fuck. Okay. Oh, you fuck now, son. You fuck now. First, we're gonna light you up. Okay, nigga? Gonna light you. Oh shit. Oh shit, yo nigga ass is on fire, nigga. Oh fuck, you a runner. Oh shit. He was a fighter. He was a fighter. He didn't deserve to die. He didn't deserve to die. He deserved to live. He deserved to live. What about this ass? Punk ass nigga. Oh, won't fuck with me, huh? Won't fuck with me. Oh. Oh! Oh! Oh, you wanna shut the door on me, son, huh? Okay. Okay. You wanna play like that, okay? Don't fuck around with the queefer, okay? Yeah, motherfucker. You gon' rot in there, nigga. Oh shit, you're a fighter. You're a fighter too, huh? Motherfucking pickaxe to the head. Boom, boom. Oh, what's fun? Okay, you can live. I'm just fucking around. Yeah.